Welcome back to another video. Today we have a special guest.
It's me.
My wife. We're going to
Why? Are we married?
My wife, yes. We're going to be tearing up her motocicleta.
Destroying it.
Because we are converting it to
black. Let's go black. What are you going to say?
Shown in the previous video, we are taking off the 4 bolts in the front by the speedometer. Here are some of the black pieces from bikerbliss.com. And FYI, this is the only fuel tank cover. It does not bring the actual fuel tank cover for the bike, so be aware. Alright, so we've got the nose of the bike off. We're taking some screws and bolts off as shown in the previous video. Just got one more bolt, babe, right here. Okay, so what have we done so far?
Just done this one part. We're taking it off, the red one, and we're putting it on the black one.
The windscreen, right?
I don't know, is that what it's called?
Yep. It's called the windscreen.
The plastic part to the other plastic part. That's what we're doing.
Alright, so we've got the front headlight piece all put together. Now we have to remove the front cowling piece is what we're going to do next. She's removing those 2 on this side and these 2. And it looks like we also have to remove this bolt that's connected to the amber caution reflector. Alright, so after a little bit of a struggle with the front fairing here, we finally got the red one off. You see over there. And the black one on. A little hard to see since it's a black fairing. And now she is unbolting the side upper fairing, the big one. Where you can see there's 3, she's doing the 3rd one, and then you have to disconnect these 2 on the inside. Hard to see again on the camera, but actually 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them actually on the inside.
Am I supposed to be doing this again or no?
Yeah, you do. So 1, 2, 3, 4 on the outside, and I believe it was 4 on the inside. Okay, so we've taken off the right fairing and then the bottom fairing that connects to it, which is going to be those pieces right here that connect to the lights. We're going to order her some new lights, LED lights, and get rid of these big ugly things. So we're going to hold off on putting the new black pieces on for now. We will, however, put the black trim on the new black pieces. For now, we're going to remove these red pieces and then probably replace them. We'll remove the red tank so we can take it and get it sprayed black. Yeah, sprayed black. Alright, so we've removed the whole tail piece. Slowly wiggle it out. Alright, so officially all that's left is to remove the tank and the tank cover that comes with the other pieces, which we'll figure out how to do here in a bit. I'm not sure how to remove that. And there's 2 big bolts, of course, for the tank cover. Okay, so now we have taken the fuel tank completely off. To take it off, there are 2 hose lines, breather lines, 1 fuel pump connector, and the electric connector for it as well. Let's do that. pops right out, and we have to go get it painted. Once we get it painted and returned, we will then continue putting the bike together. There's a few pieces we've got to replace. This little trim part, connect that on the new black pieces, and I'm gonna take this one apart and put it with the new pieces as well. Okay? Basically like all of this. So I'm getting there. What do you think, babe?
Well, I think it looks good though. She's naked. Naked is always better.
What's up, guys? So, little update on the motorbike. I think I mentioned already that we got the gas tank cover off. Actually, not even the gas tank cover, it's the whole gas tank. And the bike is pretty naked. Completely naked. We worked on the bike last night, roughly until about 2 in the morning, and we swapped over the whole tail piece, all the pieces over, and got the plastics on the new black piece, which was pretty easy. Just a bunch of Phillips screws to get that swapped over, as well as the black pieces on the sides. This one was even simpler, just one screw in the back and just some clips, just to make sure that you can clip on there nicely. We did the side fairings last night as well. Swapped over the black trim pieces over to the new fairings, and pretty much are ready to go for installation back on the bike. The only thing that is stopping us is the gas tank. We have to go take that and get it dropped off, sprayed black for it to match. So once that's completed, we'll be able to start putting things back on the bike. She ordered a new windscreen for her bike, and as well as some new turn signals, because these things are hella ugly, and it's time for them to go. So hey guys, just waiting on a few things, and as soon as we get that gas tank back and sprayed, we'll start putting things together. Fairly simple-ish so far. Hopefully remember where all the bolts and all that stuff goes. So we'll see what happens and how easy it is to install it back up. So it's been a fun project. It's been fun to do it with my wife, and kind of how her bike is put together and whatnot. So I'll check in with you guys as soon as we have that gas tank back painted. So until next time.